Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up a VPN on your Android phone for secure browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store app on your Android phone. Next, tap the search icon at the bottom. Then, search for VPN. Download a trusted VPN app like Proton VPN or Windscribe. After installing, open the VPN app. Now sign in or create an account. Choose a recommended server. Tap Connect. Your phone will ask for permission. Tap Allow. Once connected, all your browsing and online activity becomes private and encrypted, even on public Wi-Fi. To stop the VPN, simply open the app again. Tap Disconnect. And that's it. Your Android device is now secure and ready for safe browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.